In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a listing on eBay. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, and by the end, you'll feel confident in setting up your very own listings to reach potential buyers. Starting this process is straightforward, even if you haven't done it before. First, make sure you log into your eBay account. This step is essential because you need to be logged into your account to create listings and manage them. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. You'll find the login option in the top right corner of the website. Once you're logged in, you'll find a button labeled Sell at the top of the eBay homepage. Go ahead and click on it. This takes you to the selling interface where you can begin to craft your new listing. Here's where the fun starts, as you get to showcase your item by adding detailed product information. Spend some time thinking about your item, what makes it special or unique. It could be the condition, the brand, or any special features that potential buyers would want to know. The more detailed and honest you are here, the better the chance of making a sale. Take clear photos from different angles. This really helps buyers feel more assured about what they're purchasing. Well-lit, high-resolution photos attract more attention and often lead to quicker sales. After adding product details and photos, it's time to set your price. Consider researching similar items to see how much they're selling for. This gives you a competitive edge. You can choose between auction-style or fixed-price formats depending on how you want to sell your item. Don't forget to also fill out the shipping details. Will you offer free shipping, or do buyers cover the cost? Will the item ship internationally? These decisions can impact your visibility on eBay and appeal to buyers worldwide. Once you have all your details filled in and your preferences set, review everything carefully. Double-check your information and make any necessary adjustments. When you're satisfied with how it looks, take a deep breath and click Publish. Congratulations! Your listing is now live on eBay. Keep track of how your listing performs in your seller dashboard. There you can see views and interest levels, manage customer queries, and hopefully see those sale notifications start coming through. Remember, practice makes perfect. As you create more listings, you'll get a better sense of what works best for you and your audience. Thanks for watching this tutorial on setting up your eBay listing, and happy selling!